Hi, Tim from Gist here. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to change the location of the ship to multiple addresses box on your cart page. So let's just take a look at what I mean by that. On your cart page, the ship to multiple address toggle will appear out of the box, usually under the title of your cart, so your cart right there. The title, it'll appear under there. That's where we tell your theme to load that option. Now let's say that you wanted to move this ship to multiple addresses option somewhere else on this cart page. Some merchants prefer to have it above the checkout button. So let's just walk through how that would work. So we just need to go into your theme files and tell the app where you want to load that button instead. So we'll go into Online Store. It's generally recommended that you do all theme edits on a duplicate theme. So you'd go Actions, Duplicate, and then that would create a duplicate theme down here, an exact copy of your online store, where then you can then make the changes to your theme files. In this case, I will just do it on the live store so that we can see the preview. So I'll go Actions, Edit Code. And then I'll find the spot within your theme files where this checkout button is, and we'll enter in a snippet of code that's going to tell the ship to multiple addresses toggle to load here instead of up here. So in this theme, we're using the craft theme. The checkout spot is found in your main cart footer.liquid file, and that is within your sections folder here. So I have the file open here, and so we see the checkout button right here. And the start of the div up here. So we're going to go ahead and enter in a snippet of code right here. And this snippet you'll find on this, just below this video on the support article here. So that is all entered in there, and then we'll go save. And then we can go back to your theme, and then we'll press refresh, and we should see the option appear here instead of here. So there it is right there, loading up just in a different location, but going to accomplish the same thing. So we'll go ahead and click Ship to Multiple Addresses, and then that takes us through to our the first page of the multiple ship and address checkout there. So again, this code can be found beneath the video, and as ever, if you need to go over anything or need any help, you can get in touch with us at support@gist-apps.com. Great, thanks.